Water, sodium, bad.
Why are we so dry?
This is just like science roulette.
Oh! I told you it was gonna be crazy!
Get me out!
Today is take 2 of ruining David's house. He hit me up and said, hey, I want to do an experiment. I said, you should definitely do this outside. And so David wants to do it inside. Now, we've done this experiment before, but we did it way out in the desert. The most explosive play button ever. And I actually had like a drop pull pin to put the sodium down into the water. That explosion was pretty insane, and here's what's actually happening. So when the sodium goes in the water, it actually becomes entirely positively charged. This chunk of sodium repels itself and it explodes. So I would highly recommend nobody trying this at home ever, especially in your house. Okay, basically what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be seeing.
Oh my God! Boring! Get to it!
I just wanted to show an example of, you know, this is water. We typically think of water as like a
We know what water is.
Okay. You can touch this. This is the one experiment where nothing's gonna happen in the beginning. And so I just wanted to do a demo combining 2 things with water and what reactions happen by combining those 2 elements with water.
So once he throws it in there, he has to run?
Yeah.
Wait, salt
Yeah.
water?
Run where?
Anywhere but right here. Who's the volunteer? They gotta be really fast.
Jace, you're way fast. Jason or Natalie? Because
I'm the slowest by
So give it to Jason.
You'll be fine. You'll be good.
I have kids.
Yeah.
What's up with all the fire extinguishers?
Are we clearing too?
Yeah, we shouldn't be like here. So. All right, let's get to it.
All right, everybody ready? Jason, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Oh my God! Get me out! You're too far! You're too far! Get closer! Get closer! There's one right there! Oh my God!
I told you it was gonna be crazy! It's still on fire!
I'm going in! I'm going in!
My food, is it okay?
Oh, my Post-its.
Oh my God, Joe.
What a bad time.
Where is it? I can explain everything! The fire department's not gonna come, are they?
Hold on.
I think I'm gonna drive you to the mental hospital right now. I'm gonna put you in my car and I'm gonna put you in a straight.
Oh, the couch is on fire! The couch is on fire! Taylor! Taylor! The couch is on fire! The couch is on fire! The couch is on fire! The house is literally ruined.
Couch is ruined.
Don't mix water with the sodium metal, because that's what makes the fire. So water, sodium, bad.
That was probably one of the scariest moments of my life. All I remember doing is hitting the ground, being like, I gotta get out of here!
My favorite couch in the world.
You know what's really funny?
We're not replacing it. That's his
Something
punishment.
like that.
No new couch. Oh, this is David. It's on fire! It's on fire! Help! 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 It's on fire!
I knew I couldn't touch it because the last one I went like this and it blew up.
The fun part is we're all alive.
Yeah.
But we had that before we started.
I wonder if I got it.
Okay, everyone lives.